Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a beauty tool that was actually a recommendation from my mom. It is called the Derma Roller. It is also known as microneedling and collagen induction therapy. So I have been using my Derma Roller for almost 2 months. Here in a couple days it will be 2 months that I've been using this device. Some weeks I use it every single day, and then other weeks I use it a minimum of 3 times a week. It kind of just depends on how I'm feeling that week. And what it is a little tool here. Looks like this, and this little thing here rotates, it spins, and there's itty bitty needles and rows that go down this. And what you're going to do with this is you're going to run it over your skin. What this is designed to do is to help your skin create more collagen. So it's going to put little bitty little pokes, like little injuries on your skin. You're not going to bleed or anything unless you get the really long needles, but you're going to cause injury to your skin, and that's going to make your skin want to produce more collagen to help that injury. Collagen increases or can help diminish the look of fine lines. It can help with sunspots, and it also helps with the thinning of skin. So as we get older, our skin under our eye gets really thin. We start getting little wrinkles and things like that. This can help with slowing down that process. It is said that it is likely the best treatment for skin resurfacing, and the way it works, of course, is by using the needles that are long enough to cause microscopic injuries to the fine blood vessels. So it's not going to really hurt your skin. Now when you do the rolling, and I have images of what my face looks like when I roll it, your skin is going to turn red. Now I use a 0.25 millimeter and then a 0.5 millimeter. I, for at-home treatment, wouldn't do any more than a 0.5. You can get larger needles, but I would save that for like a dermatologist to do and things like that, because it can really penetrate the skin and you could potentially cause damage if you don't know what you're doing. So they can be very inexpensive. This one I got off of Amazon. This is my 0.5 millimeter. I think it was like 15 bucks, so it's not very expensive. But then you can get really into it. There was, over Christmas, there was a sale at Nordstrom's where you got this little GoPro pack that had, and I like it that you can travel with it. So you have a little cord here and then a place to put your different things. And it also had the red LED light that's supposed to be really good for your skin. So this one looks like that. So you get to keep your handle, and as time goes on, you'll replace your roller heads. But this one does a vibration, and it has the red LED light. So this is the one for the face that they have. They also have a bigger one here that you can use for your body. And it also can help with stretch marks as well on the body, and scarring. That's another thing, because I have a scar up here at my hairline from when I was a child, and I'm noticing that the scar is going down, and that scar has been there for 30 plus years, let's just say that. And then they also have in the kit, it comes with a smaller one that's for under the eyes. This one I wouldn't get because I can get in under my eye just fine with this. I have a harder time getting in there with this one. And then you can also get like the jade rollers and the rose quartz rollers that will attach on there that will also use the red LED light, which is nice, or the red UV light, which is very nice. So I kind of like the bundle. That was significantly more expensive when you can just get this one, because you are going to have to replace the heads on this as well, and I think they're like $30 or $35, and this is only a 0.25 millimeter, where this was 14 bucks and it's the 0.5. So I always use this one on Sunday. I only use this one once a week, and then I use this throughout the week, sometimes every night or every other night, just what I'm feeling. But you will have to replace both, this one the entire roller and this just the head. So it kind of just depends on what you want to spend your money on. If you want a nice in a little package, or what do you want. I went both because, let's face it, sometimes I can be a little extra. So how I'm feeling with it, I love it. I absolutely love it. I've noticed that like I said, my scarring's going down. I don't have as many little smile lines, if you will, there and even through here. I did notice that after using it about a week every day, my skin did peel. It got really dry and peeled, which that is normal. And I will also run it over my lips because your lips age as well. So I'll run it over my lips, and then after I roll my face, I'll use good products to penetrate my skin to get all the good nutrients in there that I want. I use like my collagen lip thingy for when I do my lips. So it's really a mix and match of what you want. If you want to do the smaller needling, and you can do it every single night, or you can get the 5mm and do it once or twice a week, depending. I definitely would suggest doing a little bit of research depending on your skin type on how often you're going to do it. But keep in mind, you can do it over your hands. Like, you can do your entire body with it. Back of your arms, your legs, your thighs, up by your hips, anywhere that you're seeing crepiness, I guess, or stretch marks, or you're just wanting more collagen there. So I'm going to insert a clip of me doing the Derma Rolling on myself. Don't be alarmed, my face does get a little bit red. It does not hurt. When I use the 5mm, I notice when I go over my forehead, I will sneeze. But it's no different than when I pluck my eyebrows. I sneeze almost every time I pluck a hair. Hi guys, so tonight I'm going to show you how I do my Derma Rolling. It's very simple. It's this little device here that has needles on it here. I ordered this off of Amazon. I do have another variation of this, but this is the 5mm, or 0.5, excuse me, that I really enjoy. I do this on Sunday. So I do this before I do my baby facial. So what this is going to do is basically going to poke little holes in your skin that's going to trigger to your body that there has been a injury, which then will help produce collagen. By producing more collagen in the skin, it's going to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to help make the skin under your eye not as thin. I'll give you a little bit more scientific information about it, but this I just wanted to demonstrate for you how you do it. Excuse me. So you're just going to take it and go over your skin, and you are going to get red doing this. I'm going to look in the mirror so I can safely do this. So if your skin starts to get really red, don't panic. That is normal because it's basically bringing blood to the surface of your skin. It's not breaking the skin, at least not with this size of needle. You can go to like a dermatologist and get it done with a thicker needle that's going to penetrate the skin more. I do not suggest doing that for do-it-yourself at home use. But as you can see, my skin is getting kind of red. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it is. Go over my chin. Do underneath. Doing the upper lip feels really weird. I also do my lips. This one squeaks really bad, so I do apologize. So we're going to do the other side. And what I did, I just basically washed my face. And tonight I used the Cocoa 10 lotion. It's a facial toner. It's supposed to be very hydrating, balancing. So I switch it up on the toners that I use. And I am doing this in real time. Gently do under the eye. It kind of looks like I'm aggressively doing this, but I'm really not. I'm using very light pressure and basically letting the tool itself do the work. And I have noticed since doing this, I have a scar right here that I'm sure you can see right now. It is going down slightly, so I focus on that a lot. So then, now this is where I start sneezing. The forehead, for some reason, whew, it reminds me when you first start plucking your eyebrows. The sneezing. Whew. Okay, so I get in between the eyes. And the squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. And then I move on to the other side. Get the hair out of the way.
I go across the other side on my forehead because my forehead gets the most. So that is me basically doing the micro needling or the derma roller. You can see that my face has gotten some pinkness to it. It dies down because I did this side first and the redness is only really right here, but it's starting to go down. I really get it on my cheeks and my forehead. I don't go over my nose. I haven't figured out a good way to do that. So yeah, this is how I do my derma rolling with the 0.5 millimeter on Sundays. I only use this size on Sundays, and then throughout the week I have a smaller one that I use. But yeah, that's derma rolling in real time. Took less than 4 minutes, and that's with me talking to the camera and trying to hold it.
So that is the video for today. I hope you found that beneficial, and I hope to see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. So that is my review. That's my take on the derma roller. I highly suggest it. I would start with the Amazon. So Amazon shopping for the derma roller, so you're not spending a bunch of money to see how you like it. I'll see you on my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.